As indicated by the most recent long-haul estimate, Solana cost will hit Jabber toward the finish of 2026 and afterward 250 toward the finish of 2027. Solana will ascend to $300 inside the time of 2028 and $400 in Jibber. Solana value expectation 2024-2025 Jibber. Jibber cost began in 2024 at 101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at 136.13 cents, so the cost Jibber by 34% from the very outset of the year. The Jibber Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $160, and the year-to-year change plus 57%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to Jibber. In the final part, the cost would lose $24 and close the year at $148, which is plus 9% to the ongoing cost. Solana Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring in Jabber. Solana cost would move from $148 to $271, which is up 83%. Solana will begin 2026 at 148, then take off to 181 inside the initial half year of the year and finish Jabber at 240. That implies Jibber from today. Solana Jibber 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would jabber from 271 to 389, which is plus 44%. Solana will begin 2031 at 271s, then dip to $254 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish Jabber at 269. It's about Jabber from today. Jibber, Solana value forecast Jibber. Solana cost began in 2024 at Jabber. Today, Solana exchanged at Jibber, so the cost expanded by 30% from the start of the year. The Jibber Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $158, and the year-to-year change plus 55%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jabber. In the Jibber portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $170. In the last part, the cost would lose $24 and close the year at $146, which is plus 10% to the ongoing cost. Solana Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $146 to Jibber, which is up 84%. Solana will begin Jibber at a 146, then at that point take off to $170 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $211. That implies Jibber from today. Solana expectation 2031-2035 Jibber. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from Jabber to 386, which is plus 44%. Solana will begin 2031 at Jabber, then at that point, dip to $251 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $266. It is about Jibber from today. Jabber, Solana value forecast 2024-2025 Jibber. Jibber cost began in 2024 at 101.92. Today, Jabber exchanged at 143.20 cents, so the cost expanded by 41% from the very start of the year. The Jabber Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $180, and the year-to-year change plus 77%. The Jibber from today to year-end plus 26%. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $183. In the last part, the cost would add Jibber and close the year at $190, which is plus 33% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring a Jabber increment. Solana cost would move from 190 to 409, which is up 150%. Jabber will begin 2026 at 190s, then at that point take off to $233 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $275. That implies Jibber from today. Jabber expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from 409 to 528, which is Jibber. Solana will begin 2031 at 409 and finish Jabber at 409. It's about Jabber from today. Jibber, Solana value forecast Jabber. Solana cost began in 2024 at Jabber. Today, Solana exchanged at 166.9, so the cost Jabber by 63% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is Jabber and the year-to-year change plus 82%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $188. In the final part, the cost would add $7 and close the year at Jibber, which is plus 17% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast Jibber. These 5 years would bring a critical Jibber. Solana cost would move from $195 to $490, which is up 150%. Solana will begin 2026 at $195, then take off to $239 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at Jabber. That Jibber plus 70% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035 Jabber. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from Jabber to $545, which plus 30%. Jibber will begin 2031 at $419 and finish 2031 at $419. It is about Jabber from today. Jibber value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at Jibber. Today, Solana exchanged at 153.42 cents, so the cost Jabber by 51% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $233, and the year-to-year change Jibber. The ascent from today to year-end, Jabber. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to Jibber. In the last part, the cost would add $60 and close the year at 2.60s, which is plus 69% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026 to 2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Jibber cost would move from $260 to $390, which is up half. Solana will begin 2026 at $260, then at that point take off to $309 inside the initial half year of the year and finish Jibber at $376. That implies Jibber from today. Solana Jabber 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $390 to $635, which is Jabber. Solana will begin 2031 at $390, then take off to $450 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at Jabber. It is about Jabber from today. Jibber. Solana value expectation 2024-2025 Jibber. Solana cost began in 2024 at Jibber. Jibber Solana exchanged at 147.26 cents, so the cost expanded by 44% from the very start of the year. The determined Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is Jibber and the year-to-year change plus 118%. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 51%. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $191. In the last part, the cost would add $57 and close the year at Jabber, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $248 to $374, which is up. Jibber will begin 2026 at $248, then, at that point, take off to $304 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at $359. That implies Jabber from today. Solana forecast Jibber. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $374 to $609, which is Jabber. Solana will begin 2031 at $374, then at that point take off to $398 inside the main portion